Guys, this is Noob, and there's Linx. We are. It is. What time is it? 9:38 p.m. I'm about to get me some. Dude, you get one of those. Get you one of those. Pick it out. There's Locomoca. Yeah, pretty much. Except I'm not getting paid for it yet. But me and him are going to be doing a ton of videos tonight. But otherwise, this is just us vlogging. We're getting this. We're going to get food. What? Are we getting food? Sir. You. Alright. 5:30. Live live. Okay, there you go. And there's taxes, dude.
Yeah. People are shit.
Come on, man. You can go faster than that. You got like a whole mile left on this road. If you're just gonna blaze through it, do it properly. You could probably hit 100. Like, for real, dude. Hey guys, what's up? It is like 10 o'clock. We're playing that game all night long. I sure hope y'all enjoy that series, because daggum, it's been hard work. Although it has been extremely fun to make, it would still work. It's raining right now, and there's not really any clouds in the sky, like, at all.
To the black market.
Oh wait, hold up. Not all of that. Not all of that, sir. What?
I am very sneaker dude. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I am very sneaker dude.
Alright. Okay. Yes, please. Alright guys, so y'all don't really get to see much of the farm, but right now I'll show y'all a little bit of the kind of things we do. Right now I'm pulling the water line off of here. Probably kill it or planting it, I don't know which. Either way, it's something for you to watch. Y'all get to see that. so it's all been moved out of the way. Now we can go ahead and flame weed it or till it, whichever we're gonna do. But either way, it's ready to go. And as soon as we do that, I'll let y'all get a look of it, because each one's pretty cool. I mean, basically, you got the option between just destroying dirt, like mixing it all up, it's pretty cool looking, or taking the flamethrower to it. That's my favorite. But anyway, that's just a little bit of a look at some of the stuff I got to do around here. Hey guys, it's new. Linx is just gone. And I'm not like trying to be funny. He was here, and now he's not. Like that. He ain't dead. Well, I don't think he is. I don't know where he went, but he left. Like fast, like he was there, standing there. I turned around, I turned back around, and he was gone, and he was gone. I ain't got a text, but it's probably fine. Anyway, just wanted to say, that's all for this video. If you want to know what happened to Linx, go sub to his channel, he'll post at some point, or not, maybe he's dead. If he's dead, obviously he won't post anything, but if he's alive, he'll post something, I'm sure. Maybe. If he doesn't, I'll let you know. But anyway, sub to his channel. I guess that's it. Definitely sub to my channel, though. If you're only going to sub to one channel, sub to my channel. My channel's definitely better. But his channel's good, too. But mine's better. See you on the next video.